Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever stood in a busy terminal, ticket in hand, feeling excited and a little nervous about a brand new kind of trip? Today, Hannah is walking into the Port Authority bus terminal in New York City for her very first long-distance ride on Greyhound. One of America's oldest and most iconic bus lines, connecting cities all across the country for travelers who want an easy, affordable way to see more of the USA. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah is going to use one gentle little phrase whenever she needs a helping hand. You can use this exact phrase at any Greyhound counter, or really any bus station, anywhere in America. So grab your ticket and get ready for a first-time bus adventure. Let's step into the Greyhound Terminal. Alright. Hannah has 3 missions today. 1. Check in her ticket and check a bag at the Greyhound counter, with a quiet, steady agent 2. Find the right gate and confirm her boarding time, with a joke-cracking veteran gate agent 3. Get some quick help loading her suitcase before departure, with a busy but kind boarding attendant at the Port Authority bus terminal. Just like at bus stations across the US, things can move fast and feel a little confusing. But one simple, polite phrase can always bring you the help you need. By the end of this video, you will be able to check in for a bus, confirm your gate, and politely ask for help, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's walk into the Greyhound Terminal. Here are today's 5 Greyhound key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me check my reservation, please? I think my name might be spelled differently in the system. Could you help me check my reservation, please? I think my name might be spelled differently in the system. This is today's magic phrase. Could you help me? Is a warm, simple way to ask for someone's help the moment something feels confusing or unclear. It's perfect for those little mix-ups. A missing reservation, a mislabeled ticket. Instead of panicking, you can simply and politely ask for help. Key phrase 2. Do you know which gate the Boston bus leaves from? Do you know which gate the Boston bus leaves from? A clear, natural way to ask for directions inside a busy terminal. Key phrase 3. I'd like to check one bag, please. I'd like to check one bag, please. A simple, everyday phrase for checking luggage before a trip. Key phrase 4. Is there a place I can wait before boarding? Is there a place I can wait before boarding? A polite way to ask about where to sit or stand while you wait. Key phrase 5. What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? A relaxed, useful way to confirm timing before a trip. Great job! Now let's see Hannah use them at the Greyhound Terminal. Hannah rolls her suitcase up to a long counter beneath a big blue Greyhound sign. Rows of ticket windows line the wall, each with a small number above it. Victor. A quiet, steady Greyhound ticket agent in his 50s, salt and pepper hair, already reaching for a scanner before Hannah even speaks.
Ticket or confirmation number.
Hi. Here's my confirmation. This is actually my first time riding Greyhound.
Got it. One check bag?
Yes, I'd like to check one bag, please.
Good wait. Gate 14. 20 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Safe travels.
Wonderful, Hannah. Notice the phrase I'd like to check one bag, please. A simple, everyday way to check luggage before any bus trip. Also notice how Victor didn't need many words at all, just a few steady, confident actions got Hannah checked in fast. Sometimes the quietest helpers are the most reliable ones. A clear phrase plus a little trust equals a smooth start to a first-time journey. Hannah finds gate 14, where a small crowd is already gathering. Ray. A joke-cracking veteran Greyhound gate agent in his 60s, clipboard in hand, a well-worn Greyhound cap pushed back on his head, is checking names off a list one by one.
Step right up, name, please, and no, I don't need your life story, just the name.
Hannah, for the 3:15 to Boston.
Hannah, not seeing a Hannah on here. You sure you booked this bus, or did you just wander in for the snacks?
I definitely booked it. Could you help me check my reservation, please? I think my name might be spelled differently in the system.
Aha! There we go, Hannah, 1N. Somebody at the ticket counter got a little trigger happy with the keyboard. You're all set, Hannah with 1N. Welcome aboard, officially.
Phew. Thank you so much.
Don't worry, in 40 years I've seen worse. One time a fella booked a ticket under his dog's name. Dog didn't even ride the bus.
Look at that little mix-up at the gate, and how calmly Hannah handled it. Notice how Hannah used today's magic phrase, "Could you help me check my reservation, please? I think my name might be spelled differently in the system." Warm, clear, and easy for anyone to jump in and help with. Instead of getting flustered, she simply and politely asked for help, and Ray found her name right away. A gentle request for help plus a little patience equals confusion turned into confidence, in just a few seconds. A few minutes later, the line begins moving toward the bus. Priya, a busy but kind Greyhound boarding attendant in her 30s, walkie-talkie crackling on her hip, waves passengers forward while keeping one eye on the luggage compartment.
Right this way, ticket out, please, thank you.
Here you go. Is there a place I can wait before boarding, or should I just get in line?
Just behind that yellow line, we'll start loading in 2 minutes. What time does boarding start, you're asking? Right about now, actually, good timing.
Perfect, thank you.
All loaded. Do you know which gate the Boston bus leaves from? Oh wait, you're already here, ha! First trip?
Yes, my very first Greyhound trip.
You picked a good one. Enjoy the ride, welcome aboard.
Wonderful. Today Hannah took her very first Greyhound ride. Meeting quiet, steady Victor, joke-cracking Ray, and busy but kind Priya along the way. Notice. The biggest phrase of the day was, "Could you help me check my reservation, please? I think my name might be spelled differently in the system." That warm, simple phrase turned a small mix-up into a calm, easy moment, without any stress at all. A gentle request for help plus a friendly team equals confident travel, at any bus station, anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah is standing at gate 14, and Ray just told her he can't find her name on the list. What should Hannah say next? A. Could you help me check my reservation, please? I think my name might be spelled differently in the system. B. Could you just let me on the bus anyway? C. Sorry, this must be the wrong bus for me. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase in the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases that will turn any bus trip, anywhere in America, into a relaxed, confident journey. Could you help me check my reservation, please? I think my name might be spelled differently in the system. Do you know which gate the Boston bus leaves from? I'd like to check one bag, please. Is there a place I can wait before boarding? What time does boarding start? With these 5 phrases, a trip on Greyhound or any bus line feels less like a puzzle and more like an adventure you're ready for. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, Hannah is calling ahead for a fresh, hot pizza at Domino's, learning how to confirm a phone order and pick it up at the counter with confidence. See you next time. Bye-bye.